Hi, my name's Marissa, and I am currently using Pop-On Veneers. I have struggled with bad teeth for about 8 years now. Always embarrassed covering my mouth when I talk, everything. And I don't even know if I should be putting this on here, but I am an addict and I'm in recovery with over a year clean. And I've always looked for some sort of solution for my teeth because I don't have dental insurance. I can't afford to have all these ripped out. So a friend of mine suggested Pop-On Veneers and actually bought them for me. And this is the before, and this is after. I can smile today, and it'd be a genuine, real smile without having to cover my teeth. I take pictures with my children smiling instead of doing some stupid duck face or sticking my tongue out, just to hide my teeth because I was so self-conscious. Pop-On Veneers have helped so much with my self-confidence. They've given me my smile back, and they fit amazing. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to look happy again, be confident, and show the world not only the beauty that's within me, but that my beauty shines out. Thank you.